Atlantic Ocean, southern North Carolina. Free bait. Tried a little gotcha lure casting on Ocean Isle Beach Pier, targeting bluefish and Spanish mackerel. Spotted a big school of bait fish off the end of the pier, so I cast out near the edge. Let my lure sink about 10 feet, gave it a couple jigs, and wham, was hooked up with a huge monster fish come out of the water. It looked to be about 4 feet long, silver, maybe 35, 40 pounds. I don't know, maybe a king mackerel. I can't say for sure, but it was huge, man. I didn't have a chance with that fish.
Watch this. Mine. Oh, wow. Lift your tip up and yeah, you know. You're gonna have to break them or stop them, right? Yeah. Can you help me with the tip? You put that tip lay up a little slow. You're done.
Yeah. Whole crab. Day I arrived in Ocean Isle Beach, decided to give the surf fishing a chance for about an hour, fishing sand fleas. Hooked up with a couple decent sized whiting. Then I ended up hooking up a hard fighting fish. Gave me a decent fight. Ended up being a fairly nice size black drum. Looked like it was going to be a great week, the way things started off. My daughter won a drawing for a free fishing charter at the resort with Maverick Fishing Charters at Ocean Isle Beach. Captain Josh Reynolds said he was one of the top charter captains in the area. I had one bite in the first 3 hours. In the last half hour I hooked 4 flounder and landed 2, man. It was kind of a disappointment, but probably just a bad day out there. Fighting good. Oh, that's one didn't fight that good.
Flounder.
Hey, now I got a face full of water. Ready? I'm gonna give a shot.
I got him. Look at these little pictures.
Emily, get a picture. Whoa. Oh, he got off. I got back out on Ocean Isle Beach Pier, this time targeting black drum, fishing a Carolina rig and fresh shrimp. Ended up hooking five or six giant stingray. They all broke me off, and a nice size shark I hooked up, and that one broke me off too. I seen plenty of black drum around the pilings and some sheephead and some sea trout, but they weren't biting. All I caught is a few small fish and a couple baby sharks. That's it. That's a shark. That's a shark. at the size of that. It's like a hood of a car. Right there. Stingray.
Ay, ay, ay.
Under there, right down there, I could see at least 30 or 40 black drum cruising around. They're not biting. Maybe the sun goes down a little lower. I can see them down right there. Big black drum. Got a Carolina Wrigley shrimp. Peeled shrimp. Look at them all. They're under there too. Couple big stingrays. I see all kinds of fish. Trout, drum, sheephead cruising by. And I can't get a bite. I caught a couple dink fish, and I just had a big stingray grab my shrimp, a 100-pounder, broke me right off. Sunset, and give it a few minutes. The water looks, the sand looks disturbed. As the water's going out, that's sand fleas. Right there, see them all? Right there is more. Right there. Right there. Right here.
Here, dump this.
Got back out on the beach, do a little more surf fishing, hoping to catch another black drum, maybe a red drum or a pompano. But the only thing biting were a decent size whiting and a few baby sharks. Do 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 do. I got a monster. Fishing? Huh? I'm not sure. He was. Yeah, he's on there, little going. Yeah. What do I got here? I got him. That's a nice big whiting there. Big Daddy. Sunsetting in North Carolina.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, hanging out at the beach there at night, we always see some weird stuff over the ocean, some odd lights, some unexplainable stuff. Well, this night we saw a whole line of Starlink satellites go by, a couple dozen directly in a row. That was kind of cool to see. And later that night, seen some very strange lights out of over the ocean rise up, hover there, light up, and then take off like a flash, man. I don't know. UFOs, I don't know. But we always see some weird stuff out there.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
I got home from North Carolina and decided to head out in New York, give it a couple hours of my float tube, see if I can get in a few nice catfish, man. Make up for that bad week of fishing. But had 11 or 12 bites, and I missed most of them. I ended up losing a big one, catching a medium size and a couple small fiddler cats. Just on a good run of bad luck lately, I guess. Cherry chicken. I think I got one running. I think there's one running with it. He's running. He was running. He's running. He's running with it. He ain't taking it under because that bait's set at the bottom. He's just towing it. He let it go. See if he come back for it. See it? There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. He's playing what he's got to have in his mouth. I'll try setting the hook. It's the last time he dropped it. Ready? Oh man, my bill went open again. Oh, he's hitting it again. He hit it again. He come back for it. Let it go again. Kind of finicky. Whew. I fished upstream of here on the short areas. He's got it under. Oh. I got him. I got him. I got him. Oh, he spit me. I got one running. Another one on a chicken breast. Oh! I just missed another one on a chicken breast. No, just had another one pop the chicken breast. He's popped it and let it go. Under, he's running. He's running. Let me get him. I got him. I got him. I got him. Oh, he's bit me. Just toss that one right there in front of me. It's getting popped. That'll be a small little dink cat. Gotta clean the cottonwood off every drift. Well, it's that time of year. That another small cat popped me right there. There he is, just popped it. Little fiddler cats. Take it. Take it, don't you want to be on the show? You can't fit that big chunk of chicken breast in his mouth, maybe. Took me under, make sure my bill's good. Oh, he let it go. He let it go. Oh, man. Took it. Oh, man. Oh, dude, that one's down. That one's down. Oh, I missed them both. I missed them both. One's down again. I got him. I got him. I got him. Not a real big one, but hey. Third hookup. See if I can land this one. Oh yeah, channel cat on the strawberry jello chicken breast. You hear him? He's making all kinds of racket. All right, on the board with a channel cat. Hi there, Mr. Channel Cat. One on the board. I had a big one hooked earlier. Get it out there. Running. Oh man! Oh, no. He smoked on it. I can't believe I didn't get him. I suck, man. I've had. There it is. There it is. Oh, I missed it again. That one. This cast right back to where I just missed those bites. Oh, another eater size. Another eater size. I'm looking for the big daddies. I'm looking for the big daddies. Alright. Catfish at least. 2 on the board. See ya. Been here 2 hours. I had 8 or 9 bites. I had one big one, a bigger fish hooked. Lost that one. I drift my way down, call it, man. 2 little ones. That's all I'm getting today, I guess. Alright. Both of these floats went down one after another in different areas. I missed them both. That's just the way my luck's been. I'll drift it down as the sun fades. Come on. Oh man, I had a biter. Suck. Yeah, I had 2 more bites, missed 2 more chances. This is the way my luck's been. But you know I ain't quitting fishing. What else am I gonna do? I never golfed. I'm not into camping and hiking. I just got bopped. I'm hooked up. Drifting along here. Oh, my other bobber's going. My other bobber got hit. Get down here. My other bobber's under. Look at it. It's going. I better get it some slack. That's a nice fish I got. Just as it's getting dark. He's pulling me around. My other bobber's getting hit too. It's running. It's running. Turn the light on. Channel cat. Yeah, real big. He fought good though. I thought he was a giant for a second. Alright, not bad. Not bad. Decent channel cat. Not bad. Finished my drift. I was getting a bite as I was fighting that fish. I was dragging the float along. Well, he was. He was dragging the float tube around. Ready? Ready? Yeah. Alright, man. It's dark. I just missed another bite, but I can't see anything. I see a little bit of light from the street lights. I could just barely see the bobber. I hear fish splashing around me now. But I think it's time to call it. And I just heard another fish. They're jumping all around me. But I got some things I gotta do before I go back to work tomorrow, so yeah, at least I didn't get skunked. I could have had 11 fish, but I got 3. Lost a big one. And it's just the way my luck's been. Till next time. We'll see you.